Oh yeah, true.
What do you pinch off right here?
The fucking old fucking oil thing.
The battery.
Battery's hella dead. Should I get mine? You guys
Battery's dead.
You guys have fucking
Alright, so here we are. We started the car, but we have a problem now. It doesn't want to start back up. What's going on with the Uriel?
Oh, we're having a little issue on startup.
What's going on with the JJ?
Modelo time.
Modelo time. What are you gonna do right now?
We're gonna check if it's off timing.
Oh, I know what it is, Yario.
They're about to check the timing with it. Take a step back.
It's because I need to go get it.
While they're over here fixing this car, let's go check on what's going on over here. What's going on over here, Julius?
Trying to fix my piece of shit.
What's wrong with it?
Everything.
Everything. What are you doing to it right now? Fixing the master cylinder. What's going on, mechanic? What's going on, mechanic?
What's up?
What's wrong with this car?
I need to go get the 9.
What line?
So go get it. It's the 9. So go open the valve.
I still got this.
Alright, so over here we got the GST from me, my car. Right now she's acting up and she has a little problem with it, but we'll get her up and running pretty soon like nothing. We got JJ's WRX Bug-Eye, currently tuned at 350. Well, maybe 350, but it's down to 330 right now, just to be safe. We got Julius's little Bug-Eye too, pumping the clutch.
Okay, stop. Pull it out of the way.
And then over here trying to get the STI running on Uriel's car. Hit it. Give it a gas.
Yeah? It was important.
Out here in Mexico City. Got the little Bug-Eye running.
What's the tank at right now?
After head gasket change
Almost halfway? Really?
and a new clutch.
And it's still not hot?
Alright, well, we downloaded a new map on this car. Got a new map sent by the tuner.
What's that, bro? Bro, if it's that, we wasted hella time last night.
Messing with other stuff, huh?
At least it has. You're trying to fit that on that fucking little ass little pipe that we ain't gonna tie it.
Just got done downloading the map.
Trying to see what fitting fits it. And then we can route the lines better. That was hella messy.
Woke up early, so we're drinking Monsters.
2,000 years later.
see it. It went on the side of the road. We can go check it out. Just pulled up to Mexico, about to go to the car meet. Let's see what's popping.